Affordable Medicine. Kerry Gilmore, Max Planck Institute of Colloids and Interfaces, Potsdam.
The majority of developing countries currently lack the capabilities of producing the medicines they need to treat their people. This limits their independence and ability to grow economically, but more importantly, it allows millions of people to die each year, not just from chronic diseases, but those easily treated like malaria. We believe that this is unacceptable. Today, medicines are produced similar to a Ferrari, stepwise, by hand, and at great cost. Conversely, a Camry is produced in a fully automated fashion, capable of 50,000 different variations with a production cost and time tenth of that of the Ferrari. But we don't need that many options. What we need is the reliable, inexpensive manufacturing of a given product, similar to what has been achieved with the Tata Nano. Building on a growing body of work, we have developed the means for the continuous production of medicines in a modular, assembly line fashion. These systems are coupled to purification units, which allow us to continually produce medicines which exceed WHO FDA quality standards using simple, inexpensive materials and natural extracts. Thus far, we can make a variety of critically needed medicines for the treatment of malaria, HIV, hypertension, and others, and all of these are faster and more inexpensive than traditional methods. But what will truly break the walls of affordable medicines for those that need them most is that these systems can be built into shipping containers. This will allow for the on-site production of pharmaceuticals anywhere in the world. Imagine if this remote health clinic were coupled to a second container unit capable of producing the medicines being utilized. A governmental or nonprofit organization can choose units capable of producing the specific set of medicines needed at a given location. With the ability to produce on demand, remote centers like this one will not have to wait long periods of time for medicines to be delivered, during which time infections such as Ebola can rapidly spread. As needs change or grow, additional units can be added to or removed from a system, allowing for the complete customization of their pharmaceutical production. And all of these units can be monitored remotely to ensure product quality and dosage accuracy. With the ability to produce medicines in a modular assembly line fashion in shipping containers, we will tear down the walls that are preventing developing countries from treating their people. Thank you very much.
How do you incorporate quality control into your units?
Because after each one of these steps, we can monitor the chemical reactions. We can ensure that there's the same byproduct ratios as well as quality ratios of the products.
Good. There's one question here.
Today you have the obligation to be reviewed by the FDA or by other regulatory agencies if you have a production area. How we want to ensure it?
Because these are self-contained units, so as long as they're all the systems within a contained unit are monitored and there's no external influence on these, then they should adhere to FDA standards.
Last question.
Is the main barrier to the affordability of medicines intellectual property rights and patenting regimes rather than production costs?
There is certainly a large impact by patent issues, but basically if we can use genetic... I made it all up. So.
Okay.